First, open the official Ideogram AI website in your web browser. Once the website loads, look for the Sign Up or Get Started option. Click it to begin creating your Ideogram AI account. Depending on the current sign-up options, Ideogram may allow you to register using an email address or a supported third-party account. Choose the sign-up method you prefer and follow the instructions shown on the screen. If you're creating an account with an email address, enter your information carefully and complete any verification steps that Ideogram requires. If a verification email is sent to your inbox, open it and follow the instructions to confirm your account. After completing the registration process, return to Ideogram and sign in. You should then arrive at the main Ideogram workspace. Before creating anything, take a few moments to explore the interface. Look for the prompt box and the main image generation controls. Depending on the current version of Ideogram, you may also see options for models, aspect ratios, styles, or other creative settings. Now try creating your first simple image. Enter a short description into the prompt box, choose your preferred settings, and start the generation process. When Ideogram finishes generating the image, preview the result. If everything looks correct, your account is ready to use. If you encounter a different sign-up screen or option, simply follow the latest instructions provided by the official Ideogram website, because the registration process can change over time. Also, make sure you're creating only one account when appropriate, and keep your login information secure. Once your account is successfully created, you can start exploring Ideogram and learning how to create AI-generated images, logos, posters, thumbnails, and other visual content.